Hi everyone, hopefully you're doing well today. I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you the new features that are now available through the Access AI sort of homework assistant on the Access Tuition website. I've been updating the assistant over the last few weeks, and now there's quite a few new features that are available. So I'm just going to show you one of the new features today, and then I'll make a couple of other videos showing you the additional things that you can now do over the next few days. So, first thing is that it's now possible to sort of talk with the assistant using your microphone on your computer, so you don't have to type in like your questions and your responses. Now, the way that you do that, initiate that, is there is an icon here, which is like a microphone icon. Now, if you click that, it will initially then ask for your permission to access your microphone. So then click allow, and you can see on the screen it now says that you've granted access to the microphone. If you have already allowed access to the microphone, then you don't need to do that. When you click the microphone, it will just start to record your voice. You do need to hold down the mouse whilst you're speaking. So basically, for the period of time that you hold down the mouse, sorry, not the mice, on the microphone icon, it will just record your voice for that. Okay, so just going to ask a very simple question. Hello, how are you? Can you help me with my homework today? So it's now going to process what I've just said. It will update it onto the screen. So it now says, hello, how are you? Can you help me with my homework today? And then I'll get out of the way, and you can see that AI has answered. Okay. So that's the first new feature. The second new feature I'm going to show you is the fact that it's possible now to basically take a picture with your phone, your mobile phone, of a question that you're currently stuck on, and the AI will try and help you to answer it. Now, I need to be clear that the purpose of this is not to just get the AI to do your homework for you, right? There's plenty of websites that you can just sign up for, and it does that, and it doesn't help you in any way, because if it's answering it for you, you don't know what's going on. So the idea is that it's meant to guide you through answering the question yourself. And obviously you can give your answer and it will basically tell you if it's correct or not. But it should only really tell you what the actual answer is if you're struggling to answer it. So as if you haven't got a clue, it will help you out. So the way that you can use this is if you click on this phone upload icon, a QR code will show up, and then I'm just scanning that with my phone. Okay, now once it's loaded up on your phone, that QR code will close. I'm going to show you here, hopefully, the recording from my phone. So you need to take a picture of the question and then confirm. And it should hopefully update on the screen behind me in a second that it's received the picture. There we go. So camera upload successful. Now at this point, I can ask it a question. So I'm going to say, can you help me answer the question, please? So all of this now is the recording that you're seeing. All of this is now in real time. Okay, I haven't sped up this at all. That question's gone through to the AI. It's now thinking about it, and it will come back with its response. So here's the response. Okay, so you've got the answer there. Oh, sorry, not the answer. You've got the question there. So part A, this is what I took an image of. So what is the dependent variable in the investigation? And then it lists the options there. Now, it then is telling you as a reminder what the dependent variable actually is, not as like answering it, but reminding you what the dependent variable is in terms of like the definition and what to look for. Okay. And then it wants you to give the answer. Okay, so I'll do that now. Now, obviously I know the answer, so I'm just going to say the correct answer for the purpose of this video. Is the correct answer whether there is a reaction or not for part A? So it'll now process my voice show up on the screen, and then the AI will answer whether that's correct or not. So I'll hide myself so you can see that happening. Okay, and as you can see, it's told me that I'm correct, and then it's coming back with, you know, sort of a summary of what's been said. Okay, so that is now available on the website for all registered students, that you can access this as part of your ongoing subscription. I need you guys to use it so that then I can test out how good the answers are and tweak it. So let's say, for instance, if you upload a question and it gives you the wrong answer, I can see that and then correct it. But it should be pretty accurate most of the time. So I need you guys to try it out. Obviously, as always, let me know if you encounter any problems, and I will fix it. But hopefully it gives you a bit of a helping hand as you're getting on with your revision or your homework. All right, guys. Thank you.